The expression "pick your brains" is a figurative phrase used to request or seek someone's insights, knowledge, or opinions on a particular topic. This informal and colloquial idiom implies a desire to tap into someone's expertise or experience to gain valuable information or perspectives. It is often used in a friendly and conversational manner, highlighting the collaborative aspect of seeking advice or input from others. The imagery behind "pick your brains" conjures the notion of delicately selecting pieces of valuable information from someone's mental storehouse, much like one might carefully pick fruit from a tree. This visual metaphor reflects the gentle and respectful approach one should take when asking for someone's insights, acknowledging the value of their thoughts and ideas. When someone uses the phrase "pick your brains," they are essentially expressing their interest in benefiting from the other person's knowledge or expertise. This can happen in various contexts, such as seeking career advice, brainstorming ideas, solving problems, or simply engaging in meaningful discussions. The expression suggests that the person being asked has a wealth of information that the inquirer believes will be helpful or enlightening. The phrase is commonly used in professional settings, where individuals might approach colleagues, mentors, or experts to gather insights relevant to their work or projects. It's also used in informal conversations, such as seeking recommendations for books, movies, or travel destinations. The use of the phrase is an invitation for the other person to share their thoughts freely and contribute their unique perspective to the discussion. Additionally, "pick your brains" implies a level of respect for the other person's expertise and time. It acknowledges that the person being asked has something valuable to offer and that their input is genuinely sought after. This acknowledgement often fosters a sense of mutual respect and collaboration in the exchange of ideas. However, it's important to approach the request to pick your brains thoughtfully. While seeking advice and insights is beneficial, it's also crucial to show appreciation for the time and effort the other person is investing in sharing their knowledge. Gratitude and a willingness to reciprocate, when appropriate, help maintain a positive and productive dynamic in such interactions. In conclusion, "pick your brains" is an idiomatic expression that signifies the act of seeking someone's insights and knowledge on a particular topic. The phrase conveys a collaborative spirit and respect for the other person's expertise, while also acknowledging the value of their contributions to the conversation. Whether in professional or personal contexts, embracing this phrase fosters meaningful exchanges that can lead to enhanced understanding, creative problem solving, and mutual growth.